Hello, I'm going to show you how to write a code, VBA code, to swap the value of two cells. So here in this example, I'm going to swap A with B and B with A, and this is going to be a simple code to do the swap. So here I go to the developer tab. I'm going to create or insert a button, form control button, so I can call the macro. The macro in this case is called my swap. I already wrote the macro. I'm going to show you step by step what the macro is going to do. I click here and then I click OK. Now I have this button. I'm going to change the label. If you want to change the label, call the swap or any other name you like. Then I click anywhere, and now this code is going to swap A with B and B with A. So let's run it and see. See here, swapping A and B and A. So it's not only numbered, could be a text. Here when I type, for example, test, and I type here hello, and then I can swap these two values. So let's go to the VBA and see how this code is running. So I go to the developer and then Visual Basic, and this is my code. So let's step into the code. I'll click F8. So I'm going to click F8 so I can step into the code. So the first line here, I am defining temp as a variant. The reason I'm defining temp as a variant because I expect users going to enter text or enter a number in cell A or B. So that's why I want to keep it a variant. Now, the next line of the code is to copy the value of A or save the value of A, cell A, A1, into temp, a variable called temp. So that's what I'm doing now. Now, next step is to save the value of B1 into A. With this code, this line, of course, going to override A1. Whatever the B1 value is going to override A1. Now, so I have an A1 now become actually B1 as a value. Now, when I next line is to move the temp or save the temp, copy the temp value into B1. Remember, the temp value was the value of A, okay, A1. So now I am basically copying A1 to B1, and with that the swap is done. And then I click end, and that's it. So now if I go to Excel and I use the swap because I was in edit mode. So, but you get the idea because I'm still in the break mode. I need to stop it here. Sorry, I have to go back to Visual Basic. But you get the idea how to swap A and B. And that's it. Thank you very much and have a nice day.